So, I received a gift.
Hi, it's Brenda. Actually, I received a few gifts. Yay!
That's not going to work.
Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you?
This isn't going to work. One moment, please. Let's look at the kitty butt. Yay for kitty butts. I did some online grocery shopping. Then I received a giant package in the mail, and this is what happens.
Receiving some new and amazing gifts to put on display in my home is a pretty good motivator to get things cleaned up and sorted and put away.
Groceries away. Or just set them on the kitchen floor for now. Oh, I thought that was the bag.
And to kitty stock.
Get this open. You can.
Fair warning, there's a lot of kitty stalking in this video.
Well, I guess I can't throw that away now. Get it! Are you getting this open? It's always more fun when it goes under paper.
In case you've never met me before, hi, this is Addie's channel, and she rules this roost.
Get this open. Where'd it go? Where is it? There it is. You got it. Oh, where'd it go?
I spend a lot of time doing this. It just makes me smile.
This is why it takes me forever to do anything. Nothing's changed in the past year and a half. Are you getting it? Go get it. Nobody's out there. Are you getting it? Okay. So I guess that doesn't get picked up. Because, you know, it is Addie's house. Whoa, where's it going? Where'd it go?
What Addie plays with on the floor stays on the floor.
Is it over there? Are you getting over there? Where'd it go? You see it? What would I do without you, little girl, to keep me laughing? What would I do without your smiles?
She's probably right.
Move it on back here.
I am going to try to be better about showing gifts people have sent me and thanking them for it. I mean, I do thank them, but I think showing them will be nice. This is the box that all the internet stuff came in, so I'm taking out all the paperwork, and I'm thinking I have to keep that box in case something goes wrong with it. I have to send it back in that box. I have an envelope that has cats all over it, surprise, surprise, that I've been putting all warranties, directions, etc. in it.
Why don't one of you scoop the litter up for me?
And I'm trying to get the cats
Okay?
to not be cats.
This is the living room closet. That's the living room closet. No light, but it's stairs that... Hey, come down here. You come down here. Yeah, come on. They lead to upstairs. When this used to be a one-family home. And is now a two-apartment. So that actually, that's the upstairs. Whoops. I flopped. That's the upstairs bottom floor. However, I think this will be a nice closet with a tension bar across there. No steps would be good storage. Where I can keep the cats. Isn't it? If you can see. To get some type of light in here. Get it clean. Get it painted. Oh, look at that. That's a weird little... Hang on. There, look at that. That's a weird little button light.
I have a slight problem with needing to push buttons that I see.
And it did nothing. Scared me a little bit. Did nothing. What you doing up there, Tally? Is that a perfect little Tally spot? You're getting cobwebs on you. That's what you're doing. Why don't you come down and get out of the cobwebs? She's got a great big cobweb hanging off her whisker. Apparently they liked cardboard boxes.
I'm talking about the old people that lived here.
Good job for the boy. But I think once it's... get it scrubbed and I'll paint it. It'll look nice and clean and neat. And kitty-proof.
Is there such a thing as kitty-proof?
And I think that'll be a nice little storage. You can put tubs right up those stairs. Look at how odd that is. The corners of the steps have like little... I stuck my finger in a cobweb. Oh, there's a spider. Hey. Time for you to be evicted. You weren't paying rent. You don't belong here. They have little corner things in there. Little things in all the corners. So that the corner is kind of rounded. It's not the sharp. Well, not spiffy. Hey, Tally, come on down. Will you come down? Come on, baby. Let me wash your face. Hi. Pretty girl. Can you come down? Come on. So I was going to put these boxes in there. But I guess I won't. Because then she won't be able to get down. No, I don't spoil my cats. I don't know what you're talking about. Putting the chairs in front of the door so they can both sit there and look out is perfectly normal. Something that all people do, right? It's not spoiling them in the least. Yeah, I don't buy it either. Okay, so I guess... yes.
I guess it's time to get this place done so I can play with my new toy. It is good motivation to give yourself a reward at the end of the work. Set yourself just one set of jobs, one area, one room, and say once it's done, you can do this thing. But be specific about it.
No, down. Addie, no, down. Hey, get down from there right now. Addie, down now. You little jerk.
She was trying to climb up on top of all those cardboard pieces. And when I yelled at her, she just sat in the stuff and stared at me. I find for me, it's better if I set myself a specific task with a specific reward. Not just, well, when everything's done, then I'll do something for myself.
And I am not going to mop that now. It has the pet urine eliminator soaking on it. Now, for the gift. Wonderful, 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 beautiful gift. Ta-da! Pretty fireplace.
Because honestly, everything is never all done.
That's some pretty heavy-duty cord there.
And it doesn't need to be. It's just too much stress.
It has a light on. Oh my goodness. I have a fireplace. You see how cool that is? A creepy stairway up into the blackness of above. Cute little cuddly kitty bed. A tiny purple chair. It has a remote and instruction books. I'm going to read the entire thing to you guys. Not really. No, I'm not.
Need this closer so I can reach it.
For right now. See, my thought was this would be perfect right here. Put the TV up there on the wall. And just, you know, a nice little rug in front. And the kitty bed in front. And it would just be very, very, very lovely. It's sturdy feeling. And it's heavy. It's like 50 pounds. I couldn't get it out of the box. The boy had to get it out of the box. What'd you do? Huh? Did you knock that down? You did, didn't you? So apparently you can use a remote if it has batteries in it. Buttons. has timers. It has so many cool things. Oh, look at that. Are you looking at that? Look at that. Check that out. I can, you know, I'm feeling that hot air blowing from here already. And I just turned it on. But you can also have just the flames without the heat. Somewhere, somehow, you can have...
Beware the button pushing.
Push the button. I don't know what it did, but I pushed it. Yep. Don't know what that did. Is that the temp? Look at me pushing buttons. What's the sunshine bulb mean? I better read the instructions before I start pushing too many things. Because that just isn't very swift. Look how pretty that is. There's just something so relaxing about watching a fire. So, we're going to have the cat right there. We'll have the futon, like right there, somewhere. You sit in the futon, watch the fire, have the TV on that wall. Just relax. Cuddle a kitty and watch the fire, and the other kitty can still be up at the top of the stairs. What you doing up there, baby? Oh, you came halfway down. Okay, honey. Hi. She's slowly making her way down. Hi, baby. What you doing? You can come down. You gonna come down? Yeah, you can come down. Hi. There you go. Can I wash your face, honey? Come here. Come here. Isn't that pretty? Oh, what am I doing? Ow, 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 ow. There, close it while they're away from it. That'd be smarter and faster than the cats. This is awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's very heavy. I mean, it's like 50 pounds. Very sturdy, but it's on wheels. So I can very easily roll it and move it to sweep and mop under it and get things that Addie knocked off the top of it. The top is cold. Even with that heat blowing, the top didn't get hot at all. Did the back get hot? No, the back's not the least bit hot. The front is still warm. Ah, I love it. Thank you.
I warned you. Kitty stalking.
Look at how pretty. Awesome, awesome person sent me 2 of these. It's so pretty. It may not be the best place to hang it, huh? Did you come up to see what I was touching? Hey, I don't think you should do that. Thank you. Look at how pretty it is. Purple butterfly. So, while I'm editing, she's having her screen time, aren't you, baby? Is that your screen? Yeah, that's Mommy's. Where's Addie's screen? Is that yours?
Best bit of information I've ever been told about. If you put cat entertainment in the YouTube search bar, it brings up all these bird videos, and she is fascinated by them.
So, this is interesting. Somebody stole somebody's seat. Did you take Taylor's bed? So someone else stole her seat. You think I'm going to kick her out? You want your seat back? Yeah. Is this what we want? Hi. Bye. What happened? Did you steal her bed? You waiting for the boy? Yeah. Is the boy coming? Yeah. You gonna wait for him? Boy coming. The boy sent her a message saying he was on his way. So she's waiting. And of course I opened the inside door. Pulled the chair up for her so she could sit and wait. Because I don't spoil them at all. Did you have to sit up and see what's happening? Yeah? Sit up and look around and see what's happening? What's Taylor doing? You saying hi? Are you bugging her or are you saying hi? You're just gonna scratch the crap out of the stroller. Use your scratchy thing. What's she doing? Saying hi? Taylor can't decide what she wants to do. You come down, you're gonna stay up, you're gonna just come over to me. Okay.
We've had a lot of this lately. The cats love to sit in the door on those chairs and watch the snow blow. I kind of like it too.
Check this out. We received a huge envelope of stickers and labels. Some of them I've used, some of them were used when I got it. So many like planner stickers and stuff. They're so pretty and so useful. No name on it. No return address. No note in there. But obviously came from a person because some of them were used. I absolutely love them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've been using them in my planner. And in my... these butterflies came with it too. These butterfly stickers, aren't they pretty? So I've started doing a bullet journal a little bit. So I've got some of the stickers I messed up. So this is my fix. I've been using some of the stickers in the bullet journal. I messed up there. That was my fix. Here, cover the oopses. But isn't it pretty? Another wonderful person sent me the black bullet journal, and I was able to decorate it and bling it up and make it me with the 2 butterfly stickers, and then these little sparkle gems are from... I received these back when I first started doing the magnets. I received a sheet of these little purple sparkle gems in the mail. They look pretty. I really like that purple on that black, and it really shows off the cat hair that's gotten on it. I don't know, that might be Brenda hair. Thank you very much. They really are very useful and so pretty. And I'm using them. So there was no return address, no note in it. I don't know who they came from, but to the wonderful person that sent them, thank you, thank you, thank you. There. I made March pretty. What do you think, little girl? You hanging out in front of the fire?
So this video was some thank yous for the wonderful people who were kind enough to think of us.
What do you think? I actually don't want the heat on. It's kind of warm. Just the light. Just the light of the fire, huh, Kelly? What do you think, little girl? Yes, I know. My goodness. It's quite the conversation.
And just some randomness of how I spend most of my days.
What do you think, Kelly? Or Addie? Or somebody?
Thanks for watching. Take care and toodles.